Gonna drive back with another classic from the 80s, 1984 Oldsmobile 9.8 Regency. This thing is super clean, so stay tuned. Take you all around her, get her on the test drive, throw her on the rack. Let's get around it. So as you see, it's finished in white with a beautiful kind of like brown interior. This thing is super nice, driver's quality paint. Exterior is in very good condition though. I didn't see any big dents or anything to point out. We will have a few little paint chips here and there, but this is an all original car, so I think that really adds to the adds to the allure of it. No crazy dents or anything down the side. Appears to be pretty straight. Let me go back around. Forgot. Top is in good shape. I didn't see any rips or any splitting at the seams. Also the roof looks solid as well. Now getting back to the trunk area, you can see the rear glass is good, no cracks. That vinyl top is solid around there as well. Checking out the trunk, like I said, the white looks good. You see a little tiny bit of rubbing of the paint right here on the edges. Again, you know, it's a 40-year-old car. Bumper fillers are in solid shape. Bumper is solid as well. Chrome is still good, no pitting, no rust. Looking down the driver's side, again, she looks pretty straight, nothing to point out there. Skirt still solid and intact. Coming around to the windshield, windshield's good, no cracks, no rock chips, looks pretty solid. Move on down the hood, again, no dents or anything. Just a few little paint imperfections from, of course, rocks and things like that picking up. Front of the car is solid, bumper filler still intact, chrome bumper, no rust, no pitting, and all the chrome around the headlights, and as well as the grille is nice and solid as well. We'll go ahead and pop the hood and then get the trunk open too. Super clean underneath, again, all original. AC blows cold, power brakes, power steering. Go ahead, check out the trunk. Trunk's nice and clean, original carpeted trunk, gray. Got the spare tire. Just got a rubber floor mat to protect against stains and things like that. But it's very clean. You'll see once we get underneath it as far as the floor pans and stuff as well. Interior is where this car really shines. This beautiful brown. I do like it. The brown leather with the brown cloth and then the wood as well. As you see, all the lights are working on the inside. Let's start with the rear first. Rear seats are beautiful. No rips, no tears. And you can see that all the way across. And beautiful brown carpet that looks brand new. Front driver's seat, no stains, no rips, no tears. Let me sit down in here. Dash is in excellent condition. You can tell that it's been taken care of. Again, no cracks or anything to worry about there. AC, aftermarket radio. Original mile car, 8,197. More than likely he's been rolled over once. We'll double check with the title, registration and everything. But again, carpet looks beautiful. Let me get to the passenger side. And more of the same. That passenger side door panel, no rips, no warping of any kind, no stains, and there's your passenger seat. So like I said, the real shining aspect of this vehicle is by far the interior. So let me go ahead and get on. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Nice cold start. I'm assuming the gas hand works. It's a little bit over a quarter. Normally they read higher when they're not working. Left and right turn signal's good. Lights good in the dash, and I can see them off the car in front. Horn good. Windshield wiper solid. Let's check this radio out. And radio good. Turn that down. I know the AC blows. And windows are power. Good to go over there. Alright. Go ahead, take her around the block real quick. Like I said, AC's blowing nice and cold. Got a little bit of squealing from one of these belts. I'm gonna have them check it when I get back. I don't know if it's just on startup, it's gotta get warm or what, but we'll see. Speedometer is working, it's already coming up, so we're good there. Car sounds good. Don't sound like any holes in the exhaust. No exhaust leaks or anything like that, so far so good. Brakes feel good as well, no issues there. Hands off the wheel, she's tracking straight, and the steering wheel is basically straight, so no issues there. Again, still tracking straight. No weird sounds or anything. Windows aren't shaking in the door. That belt squall went away after startup. And like I said, the brakes feel nice and well modulated. I'm not dipping into them hard or anything like that. And the suspension seemed pretty solid. It wasn't bouncing all over the ground. Go ahead, give it a little gas over here. Again, speedometer's coming up. We're up to about 40 now, so no issue at all with the throttle response. She still sounds good, and again, no weird noises. And no lights on the dash, so that's a plus. This girl was definitely taken care of, so I'm gonna go ahead and head back, get her on the rack, and we'll check out underneath. All right, we got the 9.8 up on the rack, getting up underneath it again. Rear bumper looks solid, nothing crazy that needs to be pointed out. You can see this car never had any factory coating on it, so you can see all the bare metal, and it looks super clean under here. No signs of any patchwork. Everything looks straight. Of course, we do have, you know, some surface rust on the exhaust as expected, but gas tank, no signs of leak. Looking at them trunk pans getting up in there, they look nice and solid. Moving down the passenger side, floors look solid, frame is nice and straight, no signs of any patchwork. And let's get over here to the driver's side. More the same, floors look super nice, frame nice and straight. Just got off the test drive. No oil leaks, no trans leaks, nothing from the AC either, and appears to be all stock suspension. So everything looks nice and clean under here. Let's keep moving forward. Nothing to point out there. Front bumper, again, nice and solid. Didn't see any big dents, cracks, or any rusting starting. Coming on along the passenger side. Again, that frame is nice and clean. Cladding at the bottom, the chrome looks solid. We do have a little bit of paint peeling on the rear quarter panel. Again, this is OG paint, so you kind of expect some of this. Coming down the driver's side, more of the same. Body and frame straight, and all the cladding still intact as well. All right, so if you're interested in this 84 O's 9.8, make sure you give us a call at 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and also Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.